Right, so I've acquired a worker. So Lex is a master at taking these vents and dash pieces apart. So she's going to show you how.
And he said he won't pay me because he cooks me dinner.
I think it's a fair trade.
Really?
I think it's a fair trade.
I need coilovers.
So we're going to get these vents in. As you can see, I had a tragic accident on 2 of these blades. Plastic over time. And I have this little grip thing that hits onto the vents. I would not recommend these. They break the vents very easily. So we're just going to replace this unit and have a look at what's behind the Pioneer as well. Right, this is going to be a no breaking plastic speed run. Right, we're going to start now.
Oh,
see how you do.
Okay. I'm so nervous because I don't want to break yours. But first thing you do is take like this surround off, which mine pulls off, but
mine does too.
Okay,
it comes off really easy.
Okay, good. And then get the little pry tool, which if you don't already have, you need. Don't know where you get them from, but this makes me so nervous.
See, I tend to just free fall from the middle.
You're gonna maybe have a mini heart attack. That makes me want to cry. The creaking, oh my god.
I know, the old Japanese plastics.
Oh dear.
So you just pry that bit off. Little trick, you can take the surround off without taking the boot off because that can sometimes be a bit of a pain.
Yeah, that's a nightmare. Okay, then you take this little tray out, which normally is screwed in.
Yeah, normally this is screwed in. Also, normally it's used for cigarettes and cigarette blowings, not random screws and change. And
change? This is my pay.
This is your pay. This is forms of your pay. And then there's these 2 screws that are usually in, aren't they? Either side.
Normally there. They're not in either.
Quick removal, quick removal. We're not cheating. We're not cheating this.
Okay, so you're just gonna really carefully just pop out all of this until you get to this part where there is a screw down here. So we take our trusty
Toyota screwdriver. Best tool ever.
And unscrew it.
Oh, got to put it back in properly.
Oh, dang it.
So far 2 minutes in.
I can't undo the screw because I can't see.
So we definitely removed the screw. There was no screw missing. I might need to steal some of your spares, you know.
Normally they look like these type of screws here. So there will be one just in that hole underneath there. So you can just go ahead and, oh look.
Oh,
that pops
that
out.
was so hard.
So yeah, just keep going along. Oh my god, that gives me stress.
Oh, wow, that really
should.
And that's it, guys. That's it for today's tutorial.
You need to take the wires out at the back, which are a little bit fiddly to do. You're gonna have to do it because I'm on this side now.
Okay, so I'm gonna get these wires out, and that's the end of today's tutorial, guys. It took around 5 minutes. Follow Lex MR2 on Instagram, on the TikTok. Right, we'll show you when it's off.
So for the cigarette lighter, it's a pull connector, which there we go, and then that bottom one you twist and pull out, and that's the bulb. There you go.
So nice and simple.
And then this top one again is just a pull connector. No, they'll stay in there. That's fine. They'll stay. And
then it's just a pull connector. Yeah. There's a little tab on there
at the top. Yeah, just pull that out, and there you go.
Wow.
It is off.
Oh.
What time are we at?
So that took under 4 minutes to get out.
And that is with filming as well.
That's what filming. So Lex is a pro at this now.
I am. It's come out like 5 times on mine.
Midlands guys, if you're watching this video, I need a video of you guys doing it quicker. Bet you won't. Bet you won't.
So now is the fun part of getting these actually off, because yours are just loose anyway. That's fun. Wow.
Are they not meant to be loose?
No, they're meant to be clipped in there. But that's what's a pain on mine. Mine sits so clipped in. You have to get a screwdriver underneath them, and then as soon as you got one side, the other side clips back in. It takes me like 15 minutes. So yeah, you take these parts off, and then I just get like the flathead side of the screwdriver, and just, this probably isn't the way you're meant to do it, but it works. Just unhook the clips. And
yeah, they're just little like hooked over.
Push them.
Little clips there.
Push them out.
There you go. Oh, it looks like that we're missing one piece, which is the little twizzle piece. So we're gonna have to take that off of one and put it onto the other.
That's fine.
So now that we've got them off, Lex is basically taking the two apart to get the centerpiece, but also on one of the, not new ones, but one of the replacement ones, this fin here on the end is broken off. So we're just going to keep the two good ones, hopefully, and pop them both back on the car. And again, just unhooking these clips to get them central together. So this piece where we're switching them isn't optional. You don't have to do this. So that's why it's taking us a little bit longer for the full process. Just getting the two pieces apart and then putting them both back together. We were saying. And then we'll show you just clipping those back together in a moment. So this little piece just slots into one of the side bits.
And this one goes underneath and hooks down and then hooks over that piece like that, and then that's what flicks your vents.
And then that, as you can see inside, flicks the vent open and closed. While I'm here, this one's a little dusty, so I know it's going to add some time, but might as well give it a clean.
Okay.
Oh, as we drop it, no! So now that's back together, the other piece should just
go on top,
slot on and click in, and then that will secure this central piece here. So we're actually having to change the inside vent over, as one of the vents is, you see this square here that's highlighted very, very slightly? Supposedly that's different to the version we've got. Now we're not sure if there's different years that had different mechanisms or something along those lines. However, we're having to put two pieces together to make one. So fingers crossed it works. So Lex, my free labour, has sorted the vents, so she switched them over. So in theory, other way.
You've got the other pieces.
Oh, in theory they should go back together. So looking on the timer, still very short timed on this. 14:30. So now the vents work, and then we should have a hole for the vents to correctly sit in. So thank you so much, Lex.
That's alright.
And then we just do the same again, which I'm not going to show you. So let's just do that quickly. So now everything is lovely back together. I am so happy. And we can stop the timer. Less than 20 minutes, besides our little bits of struggle, we'll ignore that. Lex has sorted it for me. So that's how to get the trims inside. That's pretty much going to wrap it up.